been talking about. Ethereum is faring slightly better right now, but if we look at the chart, you can see we've got topped out up here. You see that? We've had another bounce just now in Ethereum locally, but you can see where we have that big circle up there at the $1,600, I believe that is, right? I believe that is the $1,600 level. Oh, yeah, they had the fair going on. The $1,600 level right here. You can see we initially got rejected, and we're trying to form and stay on the uptrend, but it repeatedly is getting knocked down. And if you can't get some buyers to come in, this is a classic rounding top rejection, and you're going to trade down like we did right here. See how we hit this 1,361? The 200-day would be your next major move in Ethereum at the 1,369, and then major underneath support at that green ring at $1,194 and change. So those are the levels we're going to be watching out for in Ethereum right now. And then as we look at everyone's favorite XRP, you can see it's in the same
murdered by police, where that does happen all the time, just like whites and Chinese and everybody else. But they were hyping up the ones where it's a violent felon that is resisting arrest, because that's pushing an anarchy movement of unjust and unlawful nonsense. So you didn't see them turning the bank accounts off of supporters of people that were rioting and vandalizing and stealing from stores and breaking windows. You don't see that, right? Only for people that were protesting their freedom. You know, communists don't like that. In communist and socialist countries, it's against the law to talk about freedom and liberty. It's against the law. Communists and socialists can't have that kind of talk. And it's being shown and shown more and more. And this was just a little rant on what I think's coming up. We're going to get into the Bitcoin price. You can see it pumping. The Ethereum price is pumping, right? You can see the Bitcoin price is currently trying to get back on top of this rising, the bear flag that we're in. It's trying to get back on top of it and use it as support after it got near the 200-day moving average. And what you need these, we're just going to do a quick rundown real quick. What you need these to do to stay bullish in Bitcoin with our drawing tool is to stay on top of this 22,500 right here, this yellow line, and make a run back up here and try to retest this upper resistance and try to break this old high right here from the other day, and then you'll remain bullish. If you trade like this and slip back under it, that's bearish, right? And then you might head down towards the 19,830 to 20,600, right? And then if we look at Ethereum, you can see Ethereum's the same thing. It needs to get up to that 1,678.29, and it needs to retest this and then get on top of that. If you want to remain bullish, you need to get on top of it like this and then shoot up and hold it as support up here, right? But if you come back up here, peak above it, get back below it, and start using it as resistance, that's bearish. So 1678 is a critical resistance line, and the $1,200 is a major underneath support. And then the old XRP, everyone's favorite. XRP's in a similar spot as Ethereum. You need to get back up here to the 37-cent white line, breach this old regional high, which is in a similar area as from a couple of weeks ago right there. So you need to breach those two local double tops, which you could say this is kind of like a little W reversal pattern, and this is a little consolidation of a handle. And that if this gets on top of this and breaks up, you could say XRP in this little W reversal pattern, if it broke bullish, this targeted move would probably get you up to a target that we've been talking about for a while at 50 cents. If this was a W reversal in the hour time frame, you could say that would get you near our target of 45 to 50 cents, right? So we'll keep an eye out on that to see if that's what plays out. But if you need that to play out, you got to get this on top of the 37-cent white line, hold it as support, and then take off, right? That's your bullish way to pull a possible W reversal pattern out of there. Or if you come up and you get rejected again and start to trade down, that might be indicative that you're coming all the way back down here to another regional low at 32 to 33 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.